Hey everyone, let's see this question 11. In it, we have given two statements and we have to tell which one of the following option is correct about the statements. So let's read the statements one by one. First statement is the mean and the variance of a Poisson random variable are equal. So let's see our Poisson distribution. So our Poisson distribution look something like this, that probability of some random variable x is equal to k is lambda power k e power minus lambda upon k factorial, right? Where lambda is average number of events in some interval, okay? And the mean and the variance of both are equal to this lambda, right? So the first option will be correct, that the mean and variance of a Poisson random variable are equal. Now what is the second option or the second statement? That is that for a standard normal random variable, the mean is 0 and the variance is 1. So again, for normal distribution or standard normal distribution, the formula look like, or the distribution PDF look like something like this: 1 upon root 2 pi e power minus x square upon 2. Okay, and again, as the name itself suggests, that standard normal, which means the mean of this distribution will be 0 and the variance will be 1. So again, the second option is also correct, and according to this, the first option, that both first and second statement are true, will be correct. Okay, thank you.